हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
कालस्वभाव संस्कार काम कर्म गुणादिभिः स्वमहिद्वस्तमहिभिः मूर्तिमद्भिः उपासिताः सत्यज्ञान अनन्ता आनन्दमात्रैकरसमूर्तयः अस्पृष्टभूरिमाहात्म्या अपि ह्युपनिषदृशाम् एवं सकृद्दर्शाजः परब्रह्मात्मनोऽखिलान् यस्य भासा सर्वमिदं विभाति सचराचरम् ततोऽति कुतुकोद्वृत्तः तिमितैकादशेन्द्रियः तद्धाम्ना भूतजस्तूष्णीं पूर्देव्यन्तीव पुत्रिका इतीरेषे तर्क्य निजमहिमने स्वप्रमितिके परत्रा जातो तन्निरसनुमुखब्रह्मकमितौ अनीशेऽपि द्रष्टुं किमिदमिति वा मुह्यते सति छादाज्ञो ज्ञात्वा सपदि परमोजाजवनिकां ततोर्वाक् प्रतिलब्धाक्षः कः परेतवदुत्थितः पृच्छाद् उन्मील्य वै दृष्टि आचष्टेदं सहात्मना सपद्यो वाभितः पश्यन् दिशो अपश्यत् पुरस्थितं वृन्दावनं जनाजीव्य रुमाकीर्णं समाप्रियम् यत्र नैसर्गदुर्वैराः सहासन् मृगादयः मित्राणि वाजितावासद् ऋतरुत्तर्षकादिकम् तत्रोपहत् पशुपवंशशिशुत्वनाट्यम् ब्रह्माद्वयं परमनन्तमगाधबोधम् वत्सान् सखीनिव पुरा परितो विचिन्वत् एकं सपाणिकवलं परमेष्यचष्ट दृष्ट्वा त्वरेण निजधोरणतोऽवतीर्य पृथ्व्यां वपुः कनकदण्डमिवाभिवाद्य स्पृष्ट्वा चतुर्मुकुटकोटिभिरङ्घ्रियुग्मम् नत्वा मृदोर्षुजलैरकृताभिषेकम् उत्थायोत्थाय कृष्णस्य चिरस्य पादयोः पतन् आस्ते महित्वं प्राग्दृष्टं स्मृत्वा पुनः पुनः शनैरतोत्थाय विनृज्य लोचने मुकुन्दमुद्वीक्ष्य विनम्रकन्दरः कृताञ्जलिः प्रश्रयवान् समाहितः तवेपतुर्गद्गदयैलतेलया इति श्रीमद्भागवते महापुराणे पारमहंस्यां संहितायां दशमस्कन्धे पूर्वार्धे त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। श्रीहरये नमः। श्रीहरये नमः। श्रीहरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द 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 नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। राधे कृष्ण।
Super, so nice, reading so well. Of course, the first level of all the children and all the calves that he had taken, they all existing here. He is not able to figure out which is original, which is the second set. Then he is seeing Brahma from himself. to the Stambha Paryanta. Atmadi Stambha Paryantaihi, Murti Madbihi, Characharaihi. He's saying, oh, another Brahma is also doing worship to Krishna. So many universes, everything he's seeing. Then he understands, oh, this Swarupa is something else. Satya, Jnana, Ananta, Ananda, Matraika, Rasa, Murtaya. Rasa. This is the nectar. It is the only truth. It is the only jnana that you need. And it is the only happiness that you need. He has understood that. Even though the Vedas are infinite, and even though the Vedas and the Upanishads are pointing, still they cannot fully describe this, the greatness of this Paramatma. Evam sakrit dadarshaja Parabrahma Atmano Akhilane. Shukha Brahman is telling Parikshit, this God, he has taken this form. We cannot reach him by argument. We cannot reach him by analysis. We cannot reach him by doing some japa, some tapa. None of those things are going to work. The only way you will reach him, only way you will get him is because of his grace. And Krishna is giving Brahma that grace. Javanika means curtain. It is as if there is a curtain. When the curtain is closed, you cannot see. But if the curtain is opened, then you can see. So here, Jnatva Sapadi Paramajoja Ajavanikam. Krishna has removed that. And removing that curtain, this Brahma is getting an amazing divine experience on top of all the things that he has already seen, on top of all the Mohanam that has already happened. He's getting a bigger Mohana. Tathorvak Pratilabdakshaka, struggling to come out of being immersed in that experience. Krichat Unmilya. Slowly, this Brahma is opening his eyes. Krichat, because that experience has been overwhelming. So he's opening his eyes. When he opens his eyes, he sees this Vrindavana. It is something that attracts everybody's heart. In that, he is seeing now, there is one river, there is one mountain, all those boys, all those calves that Krishna showed him, they have all disappeared. Now Krishna is showing him the vision that he was when he was going to search. So this one boy is holding Tair Shadam in his hand with all the achar between his fingers, and he's searching. Where are these calves gone? Where are these boys gone? I thought they were right here. I've been searching for them. Ekam sapani kavalam. Parameshti achashta. Parameshti achashta. Parameshti is looking at this. He's saying, Are Bapre, what Maya is this? He has shown me the whole universe. He has shown me so many universes. He has shown me that he can make all these children, all these vatsas. And now he is showing me the darshanam that he is searching. Immediately he rushed. Avatirya, Prithvyam. Normally, these devas will not touch Prithvi. It is below them to touch the Prithvi. But he has come to Prithvyam Vapuhu. Not just touching with their feet. He has put his whole body on this earth because this earth is now touched by Krishna's feet. Prithvyam Vapuhu Kanaka Dandam. He is shining like gold because that is Brahma. Kanaka Dandam eva. Sprishtva Chaturmakut. He wants to make sure that each of his heads has done namaskara. He has 4 heads, in 4 directions. So he is doing namaskara with this head, then this head, then this head, then this head. Uttayotaya Krishnasya. Uttayota is getting up, doing namaskaram, getting up, doing namaskaram, getting up, doing namaskaram. Chirasya padayo patanne. He has fallen at this Krishna's feet. The experience that he got, the darshanams he has got, he's thinking about that. Smrutva, smrutva, punah, punah, prak, drishtam. Whatever he saw, whatever the experience of that greatness, mahitva, aste mahitvam, prak, drishtam. He's going to do a big stuti, Brahma's worship to this small Krishna that is happening in the next chapter. Premi Anna has given us many beautiful songs. One song celebrates Vanabhojanam, song number 44 in Govinda Shatakam. Pashyata Nandabhalam Gophalam.